Lesson 15. Advertising Response Hierarchy Models. Overview. In today's highly competitive world, the field of advertising has evolved into a demanding profession. This lecture aims to elucidate various models for assessing responses to diverse efforts. Additionally, it will delve into advertising themes and the process required for obtaining or developing a unique and substantial idea, accompanied by key considerations for crafting an advertising campaign. Advertising Response Hierarchy Models. 4 response hierarchy models are as follows. 1. The AIDA model. 2. Hierarchy of Effects model. 3. Innovation Adoption model. 4. Information Processing model. The AIDA model, developed by E.K. Strong, basically means draw, attract attention. Be interesting, create desire, initiate action. AIDA stands for A for attention, I for interest, D for desire, A for action. AIDA model. Hierarchy of Effects model. Innovation Adoption model. Information Processing model. Low Involvement Learning model. Deciding the theme. The advertising theme is the fundamental advertising message about the brand that positions it favorably compared to competitor brands. Process required to get a big idea. A. Fact-finding. I. Problem definition. Identifying and pinpointing the problem. E. Preparation. Gathering and analyzing pertinent data. B. Idea finding. I. Idea production. Generating tentative ideas as possible leads. E. Idea development. Refining ideas, incorporating others, and reprocessing through modification. Steps for a good theme. Creating an idea, idea generation. Generating written copy, copywriting. Artwork of various kinds, illustrations. A preliminary and comprehensive vision of the ad, layout. Developing advertising campaign. 3 essential elements. 1. Targeting the audience. Whom are you trying to reach? 2. Message strategy. What do you say to them? 3. Media strategy. When and where will you reach them? According to Dunn and Barban in their book, Advertising: Its Role in Modern Marketing, an advertising campaign includes a series of ads placed in various media designed to meet objectives based on an analysis of marketing and communication situations. It involves advertising problems and opportunities, identifying target audience, deciding advertising objectives, determining advertising budgets, product positioning, finding advertising theme, developing the campaign, creative strategy, media strategy, other tools, sales promotion, packaging, personal selling, direct marketing, public relations, sponsorship.